Solar panel business. 3 easy ways to profit.
How to start a solar panel business. Method 1. Gain experience and get educated. There is a crucial step you must take before you can begin installing solar panels on rooftops and profiting from renewable energy sources. Step 1. Work for an already established solar panel installation firm. Step 2. Take courses or gain certification in solar panel installation. Step 3. Attend conferences and networking events. Step 4. Stay informed about industry news and trends. Step 5. Practice, practice, practice. Graduation cap practice is crucial for perfecting solar panel installation. Method 2. Develop your business plan. Step 1. Find your target market and choose your location. Step 2. Legal and insurance requirements. Step 3. Equipment and material needs. Step 4. Marketing and advertising strategies. Step 5. Financial projections and startup costs.
Method 3. Build relationships.
Step 1. Get to know your potential customers. Step 2. Make connections with other solar panel installation wizards. Step 3. Cozy with suppliers, solar panel materials, and equipment makers. Starting a solar panel business can be challenging, but it can also be enriching. For more details, check the link in the description.
That's it, folks. If you're eager to get rich now, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily money-making guides. We're here to support your journey to wealth. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access an exclusive detailed post on GetRichNow.com. It's time to level up your financial game. Join us, and let's get rich together.